There
you
they
guys
go.
go ahead and clear out.
They'll go back up. Did I make the wanted list?
I'm fucking arrested.
You call it back up? Look at Aiden calling back up in that little Porsche.
Pussy ass bitches is what you are.
Leave
Pussies.
now. Be placed under arrest.
Fuck my
No, be pressed under arrest.
fuck y'all faggot.
You think I'm joking, sir? Leave.
That sucks so bad, gang. Y'all was on top of the roof killing us, gang. Y'all was on top of the roof killing us, and y'all mad because y'all got freaking reported. Now y'all want to be all tough guys and stuff, bro. Y'all was on top of that, killing me, gang. Stop it, bro. Stop it. I don't like that, bro.
Yeah, I don't like you guys out here causing problems with, my coworkers.
All right,
so go ahead and take off.
So go ahead and take off. All right, I'm telling.
1.2.
I'm not in y'all.
3.2. 1.7.
Look who we got here. Chase. Hey, you got me in the wrong time because the ammo.
I don't know if she would have killed me.
Alright.